My name is Carly Furlong, and I'm a social worker and a mental health and addictions clinician for the child and youth team. Helping your child or teen deal with stress is a common concern that parents have. We need to recognize and teach our youth that stress is a normal part of life. Stress isn't necessarily a bad thing, but when we're not managing our stress, there can be negative symptoms to that. And it's those symptoms of stress that we want to help manage. We have some tips here for you that you can help use on yourself and use with your children on how to manage some of the negative side effects of stress. The first tip on how to deal with stress is to talk about your problems, even if they can't be solved. We know that talking about our problems releases some stress and then shares that stress with another person so we don't feel like we're carrying it on our own. Try to help your child or youth prioritize the things that they have in their life. We want to keep the big things big and keep the little things little. There are going to be some small worries that we have, and that's okay. That happens in life. But the big worries we want to focus on, and we want to problem solve around them. Your child might need reminders to keep that kind of perspective. The third tip for managing stress is going to be to focus on our basic health behaviors. We know that our mind and our bodies feel better when we take care of ourselves. And so getting enough sleep, having a healthy diet, having exercise time, having social time, and having alone time. These are ways that we can take care of our basic health needs, and those help to reduce those stress symptoms as well. The fourth stress management tip, is going to be that youth and children will need some help balancing their time. When it comes to the time that you spend, it should be balanced between all areas of life. So school time, alone time, social time, family time, hobby time, those things that all take up equal areas of their life. And if there's one area that you find is taking up a lot of their time due to worries and whatnot, then they're going to need some help balancing that. The fifth stress management tip, which we also don't think of, is that parents and caregivers need to model that behavior themselves. It's monkey see, monkey do. And so the best way that your child or youth is going to learn to manage their own stress is by seeing you follow these tips for your own stress in life. I'm really happy that you watched this video and these video series because it means that you're concerned about your child and you want to help them and do the best that you can in these unprecedented times. What I ask that you do is share this video with maybe other parents or caregivers who you think are having similar concerns, and that way we can spread this information and best support all parents and caregivers the best that we can.